Unlocking the secrets of French pronunciation. Yes, you can master it. French pronunciation may seem intimidating at first, but with practice and a few key tips, it becomes much easier to master. One of the biggest challenges for learners is the unique sounds, like the nasal vowels in words like bon. The secret: listen carefully and mimic French speakers. Apps, podcasts, and videos are great tools to practice these sounds. Another hurdle is silent letters, which are common in French. In many words, the final letters aren't pronounced. Pay attention to these patterns, and they'll soon feel natural. Similarly, liaison, the connection between words, can be tricky. Don't stress about sounding perfect right away. Break words into syllables and practice slowly. Repetition is key. Watching French movies with subtitles or repeating lines from songs is a fun way to improve. With patience and dedication, mastering French pronunciation is entirely within your reach. Every word you perfect brings you closer to speaking with confidence and ease. You've got this. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.